Hey guys, it's Miss Enciso, and starting September 21st, we'll be starting our reading small groups with our reading assistant, Miss Flynn. Now, you're gonna have to look at the schedule below. There are 4 colors for the reading small groups. We have pink, orange, blue, and green. There is also a letter A or a letter B after each color. So you are letter A if your child meets with Miss Enciso in the morning class. Your child is B group if you meet with Miss Enciso in the afternoon class. So you will meet with Miss Flynn, our reading specialist, the time you are not in class. So if you're in a morning class, you meet with her in the afternoon. If you're in the afternoon class, you'll meet with her in the morning. You will also be starting ELL classes with Mrs. Cunningham or Mrs. Vera, and your child should have started special education classes with Miss Gill already. So if you have any questions on that, please let me know and I can contact those teachers. Now I'm going to show you how to get there from Canvas. So what we got to do first is get into Clever. As always, go to Miss Enciso's face. We're going to click on Canvas. And then what we're going to do is, like always, we're going to go to Miss Enciso's homeroom. And on her home page, it's been updated a little bit. So after we scroll down on the days and the help desk here, we're going to go to the pictures down here. This is Mrs. Cunningham, ELL teacher. Mrs. Vera on the other side, our other ELL teacher. And Mrs. Flynn, our reading specialist, in the middle. Now we'll click on the words above her head, and it'll take us to the Google Meet that we need to get to. Let's look at the schedule first and let's read it together. So reading small groups, like I said, start from the 21st of September. They'll be every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, same times. And on Wednesdays, all students except the green group will meet with Miss Enciso on Wednesday during the morning. Now here's the schedule here. We said they're divided into 4 groups. I'll be messaging each parent to let you know what class and time and color your child is. So here's the Wednesday schedule, and everything else is with Miss Flynn, depending on your child's color and group. Okay, so it'll, for example, Pink B is scheduled with Miss Flynn every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 8:25 to 8:40. I meet with the pink group on Wednesdays as well. I meet with orange and blue. All right. So that is all I have for this video. If you have any questions, you can please let me know by texting me, calling me, sending a message to Class Dojo. Thank you and have a nice evening. Hola, soy Miss Enciso y empezando el 21 de septiembre vamos a tener grupos pequeños de lectura en la escuela. Los voy a enseñar cómo llegar allí, so espera un momento. Como siempre vamos a estar en la página de Clever, la app de Clever. Vamos a hacer clic en la cara de Miss Enciso, llegar a Canvas. Vamos a llegar y hacer clic en la clase de Miss Enciso y vamos a estar en la página más importante. Vamos a ir para abajo. Y aquí abajo hay 3 fotos de maestras. Mrs. Cunningham es una maestra de inglés. Mrs. Vera también es una maestra de inglés. Y en el medio es Mrs. Flynn. Y Mrs. Flynn va a ser nuestra maestra para lectura pequeña. So, hagamos clic en las palabras que están arriba de su cabeza y nos va a llevar a la videollamada, donde van a tener los 15 minutos con ella cada día, excepto los miércoles. Abajo de este video vas a poner esto, también lo puedes traducir. So, aquí nomás te estoy explicando que cada lunes, martes, jueves y viernes todos los alumnos van a visitar a Miss Flynn, nuestro especialista en lectura. Si su alumno está conmigo en la mañana, su letra es A. Si su alumno está en clases conmigo en la tarde, está en grupo B. Grupo A está con Miss Flynn en las tardes. Grupo B está con Miss Flynn en las mañanas. Y abajo están los horarios de cada grupo con la letra y cada día y cada hora. Los miércoles, Miss Enciso mira todos los alumnos excepto el color verde. Todos están separados de 4 colores: rosa, naranja, azul y verde. Si tiene alguna pregunta en estos o si no expliqué algo bien, por favor llámame o mándame mensaje. Es todo para este video y gracias y que tengan buen día.